What is it?
Do you know what they are? They are chocolate moussin.
Chocolate mousse. That chocolate mousse. So, I'm going to find out some taste one.
Okay.
Let's read it.
Let's read it. It says to M-A-T. Who's that? Who's M-A-T? Matt. Can you open that one?